In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Calendly to Microsoft Teams. First, open your browser and go to the official Calendly website, then make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the left-hand menu and click on Integrations and Apps. Next, scroll down and find Microsoft Teams Conferencing, then click on it and wait for the page to load. Before continuing, take note that this integration requires a Microsoft 365 business account or an Office 365 education account. After that, click Integrate Now. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Microsoft account. Go ahead and log in, then click Accept to grant Calendly the necessary permissions. If you're using a supported Microsoft 365 Business or Office 365 Education account, the integration will be completed successfully and Microsoft Teams will be available as a meeting location in your events. However, if you're using a personal Microsoft account, you may see a message saying that online meetings are not supported for personal accounts. And that's it. That's how you connect Calendly to Microsoft Teams. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.